Car Patrol.
The Car Patrol. Hi there, babies. It sure is windy out here. Uh-oh. Hold on. That's a great idea, Baby Susie. The Car Patrol can save Baby Francis. Hey, guys. Baby Francis got tangled in his kite and blown away. Can you help? Okay, let's go. We're almost there. Don't worry, everyone. The Car Patrol will get Baby Francis back. Frank, maybe Baby Francis could grab onto your ladder. Try to grab the ladder. Oh no! Now what? You're really fast, Matt. Maybe you can catch him. Oh dear, it's just too windy. Hector, can you fly around and look for Baby Francis? Do you see him? Oh, there he is. Hurry, Hector. Can you pick him up? Hold on. Hector will carry you back. We're so glad you're safe, Baby Francis.
Woo!